Hey guys, this is Carl from TechLingo, and at the time of this recording, I do believe it is day 19 of the circuit breaker here in Singapore, and I know everyone around the world is trying their best to stay at home right now to help curb the spread of COVID-19. And I just want to say that, if any one of you out there are experiencing challenges or difficulties, do know that things should probably only get better from here onwards, so do not give up. And if you need any assistance, whether is it financially or any other type of help, I'm pretty sure the government has actually listed out a whole bunch of different resources, different budgets that could potentially help you. So I think it is gov.sg. So do head down to that website, have a look at what are the different resources available, and do not give up. All right. Now let's move on to a lighter note of this video. I think we have been really lucky. Recently, OnePlus actually announced their latest smartphone, the OnePlus 8 as well as the OnePlus 8 Pro, and we're lucky enough to actually get our hands on the OnePlus 8 to try out. And I was quite surprised, in fact, because it was a really big box that I wasn't expecting. I was expecting like an ordinary, regularly sized phone box. And if you look closely, there's actually like a little bit of a holographic effect. I'm not too sure if it shows up well on the video. So let's head on down to a quick little unboxing, and hopefully we can give you our first impressions of the OnePlus 8, right? And of course, first thing that we're greeted with is a really nice reviewer's guide. I'm surprised. In fact, this is the first time I'm receiving something that has been done up so beautifully. There's 90Hz refresh rate on the OnePlus 8, and I think up to 120 Hz for the OnePlus 8 Pro. Inside, you would find a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. Let's move on to see what else is in the box, right? We also have not one but two different smartphone cases. So I've already opened up the different cases here to have a feel of them, and I must say I'm really liking both of these designs. They're slightly different. So on the black one, you have a slightly textured feel at the back. This one is a more rough feeling, and you definitely have the most, I would say this particular color gives you the most grip. It has a really rough, I wouldn't say very rough, but it's a slightly rougher version of something that is matte. I do not know how to describe this. Alright, so let us just put this aside and have a look at the phone itself. Oh, okay, there we go. So, oh, okay. Not very satisfying, is it? Alright. Sorry, I'm not doing this the right way. Well, it does look gorgeous. It does look really sleek and beautiful. And we'll just have a look quickly at what's inside. Oh, I like that they put this small little tab here so it's easy to remove. Feels like there's something inside. Ooh, okay, I do believe that this is the different documentation. Wow, you get some stickers as well. Okay, that's really nice. That's a very nice touch. Let's see what else is in there. Well, let's have a look. So we've got a message there from Pete. And what I see here is that you have a clear case included for every OnePlus 8 or OnePlus 8 Pro. We also have the charging cable, which is a Type A to a Type C, the Warp Charger 30T, and that would bring you from 1% to 50% in just 22 minutes. Wow. Ooh. So we have a really nice demo here on how to use the gestures navigation, and we're going to be trying out the back, and then we are also going to be trying out the home, swipe up from the bottom, and the recent applications which you have open, which I assume you push up and hold, and we've got our setup complete. And let's have a closer look at the phone itself. And on the right side of the phone, we have our lock button, as well as this slider switch, which is recognizable on OnePlus devices. I'm really wondering why more phones do not have this. Similar to an iPhone, whereby you can switch between silent and ringer, right? And now at the bottom, we do have a SIM tray, a dual SIM tray, so you do have the option for putting in two different SIM cards. And I do believe this does not allow you to put in an expandable storage, so only SIM cards. So at the back of the main camera, we have 3 different lenses, and one is the rear main camera, and that is 48 megapixels. We also have a macro camera, which is at 2 megapixels, and we also have an ultra-wide camera with a field of view of 116 degrees, so pretty impressive here. So we'll just leave this video here for now, and hopefully we can actually try out this particular device over the next few days or weeks even, so that we can properly review it and give you our thoughts, what we like and what we don't really like about the device. I think what I haven't mentioned in this video is that pre-orders for Singapore are already now open from 24th of April to 7th of May. If you were to place your pre-orders during this period, you will be getting a whole bunch of limited edition items worth $149. And that includes the Sandstone Bumper Case, which is the Cyan version, as well as the Nylon Bumper Case, which I assume is black as well. So these are the 2 things that you will get, as well as one Bullet Wireless Z, and these are some limited pair of earphones. They're not going to be available for purchase in Singapore, so only customers who made this pre-order during this 24th April to 7th May period will you be able to get your hands on the Bullet Wireless Z. So do take note of that. Right? Now with that, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations right here from Singapore. This is Kyle signing off.